Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show how you can add feed into your Feedly. So by the end of this video you're going to understand how to access Feedly and how to add and automate RSS feeds. Log into your Feedly account and click the plus icon in the left hand side bar. Search for RSS feed and click follow, and then choose an existing feed to save it to, or create a new one by clicking new feed. You'll then be able to access articles from the RSS feed in your feeds area. If you want to share an article to your queue manually, you can do so by clicking the buffer icon at the top of the article. This will open the Composer where you can customize the post and add it to your queue. If you'd like to automate sending these articles to your queue, feel free to continue with the steps below. Alternatively, you might also prefer to stop here so you can pick and choose which articles to share from Feedly manually. You can now create a Zap in Zapier to automatically pull articles from your feed in Feedly and add them to your queue in Buffer. Zapier offers thousands of templates to get you started. The subsequent steps walkthrough creates these zaps from scratch, but feel free to use a template in the link and log into your Zapier account and click Make a Zap in the left hand side bar. Give your Zap a title, for example, sending Feedly articles to my queue. Choose the App and Event section, find and select Feedly. On the Choose Trigger event, select New Articles in Feed and click Continue. Next, you then connect your Feedly account. You also choose the feed you like to pull articles. In the Choose an App event, select and find Buffer. On the Choose Action event, select Add to Buffer, then click Continue. Next, you'll need to connect your Buffer account and then click Continue. Then you can see the profile, the text, the photo URL, the top now. And you can see whatever you want. You can select if you like the post to be added on top of the queue. And if not, you can just select No. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.